the cues are for sight. I'm just trying to, these binocular cues, the example we gave was like how are we able to cross-eyed? Instead it's really close.
Binocular disparity and binocular clues.
Okay.
So binocular is like when you're looking with your both eyes.
Okay.
And so if I'm looking just at this door, I can see the same picture from my both eyes. That's binocular clue. Then my both eyes are forming the same picture.
Okay.
Right. But if I'm looking at this whole thing, so with the one eye, I miss some of the part. And if I see with the other eye, I miss some of the part right here. Okay. So my eyes are actually getting two pictures in my brain, on my retina. But my brain is editing that picture and giving me this one picture. I'm not looking at two pictures right now.
Okay, that's binocular
disparity.
Okay.
Or clue.
Okay. And then binocular cue is seeing stuff from a distance.
Yeah, or one, like, same picture from both eyes.
Okay. So I guess example we gave, like when you see a plane, it looks like further away and higher up. The closer it is, it's gonna be lower.
Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. See, linear perception, that's just when like you see stuff like parallel, but from further distance, it looks like it's coming closer.
Yep.
Like when railroad tracks and they go up.
Yeah.
You see texture gradient. That's just like I'm looking for this wall like from a distance. I'm not gonna be able to tell like little chunks in it and stuff. But I'm looking at it really close, we'll see like the bumps and everything.
Yep.
Okay. This one I didn't understand. Relative motion and motion paradox.
So you are sitting and you are in the motion, but because you are in the motion, you see other things being in the motion. For example, you're sitting in the bus and you're looking from the window outside. Okay. Right? So you feel like the things are passing us, like they are passing us, we are passing them. So that's a false image that we get in our brain, that things are passing us. Gotcha. Although we are in the motion, we are passing them.
Okay.
So they're still, but we feel like these things are passing us.
Okay, that makes sense. See, perpetual constancies.
Perceptual.
Is that just when we perceive stuff as a certain shape?
Yeah. So
okay,
it's
so
like
that's square. That's gonna be like an oval. Okay.
Yep.
And so everything we see, our brain registers that as the shape.
Yeah.
Okay. Perpetual organization.
Perceptual organization is when you organize a thing just in your head. I mean, so there are two things that overlapping each other, but your perception is this thing is behind and this thing is onwards. Or if you see the same amount of line, like, so if I draw the line right here, and if I draw it right there, so you will feel that this line, because this is closer, so this is like, I'm not drawing exactly the same lines, but you should know that these are same lines.
Yeah.
So if you're seeing in the front, this will sound you smaller.
Okay. Yeah.
And if you're seeing from far, this will sound you longer. Okay. That's what you're organizing your perceptual organization. Like you actually in your mind, this is built that if this is like small because you can see it far, and this is long because you can see it closer.
Even though the same size.
They're same size. Okay. That's your mind that make it.
Okay. Let's see, then closure is just our brain trying to make sense of what we're looking at, no matter what it is. So those examples, it's like there's not a triangle in any of those pictures, but my brain's like, no, it's a triangle. Yep. Instead of trying to make a new perception of something.
Yes.
Okay.